Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 3s over 4. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. We have the u equals to 3 over 4 ds. Because we don't have 3 over 4 over there, so we need to divide both sides by 3 over 4. This one we change by u. Ds we change by this one. About cosecant of u to the power of 4, we can write into cosecant of u square multiplied by cosecant of u square. About this one, we can change into cosine u square plus 1. This is about trigonometric identity. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equal to cosine u. dz we have negative cosecant of u square du. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put the negative go to the left. This one we change by z, and you go about z to the power of 8. Similar for this one. Cosecant of u square du we change by negative dz. Next, z to the power of a multiplied by z square and number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of z to the power of 10, you got about z to the power of 11 over 11. The next one, that's about 9 over 9. And we put about c. About z, that's about cosine u. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.